Hello Math Learner! In this video, we'll discuss about analysis and interpretation of statistical data. So let's begin. Analysis of data is usually done after all statistical information has been collected, organized, and presented as a frequency distribution, and the measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mode have been computed. The researcher may be interested to know the relationships among these three measures, or he may want to know which of these measures is more appropriate for this situation, so that meaningful interpretation and description can be drawn from them. Now, consider the items sold during the school fair by two sections. So we have here a table. In the first column, we have the days. Second column, we have the number of items sold by section A from first day to the 7th day. And the third column, we have here the number of items sold by section B from first day to 7th day. And as you can see, the total of section A is 84. The total of section B is 79. Now, we are going to compare the section and determine which section has a better sales performance. Now, based on the table, section A seems to perform better since it sold 84 items as compared to section B, which sold only 79 items. But the total sales cannot help us determine which section performs better. That's why we need to solve for their measures of central tendency. Okay, so let's solve for the mean of section A. And we all know to find the mean, it is just equal to the sum divided by the number of values. In section A, the sum is 84. So let's write 84 divided by the number of values, which is 7 because there are 7 values. And that is equal to 12. So that means the mean of the number of items sold by section A is 12. Now, for section B, the total is 79, the same number of values, which is 7, and that is equal to 11.29. So we are done finding the mean of the two sections. Now let's find their median. To solve for the median, the first step is we need to arrange the values in either increasing or decreasing order. So let's try to arrange this in increasing order. So we have first 5, followed by 6, next 2 sevens, next is 9, followed by 11, and then 39. So these are the number of items, or these are the values that are arranged in increasing order. Now let's find the middle value. We all know that the middle value here is 7. So that means the median is 7. Now, how about in section B? Let's try to arrange the values. So first, we have 10. There are 2 tens, so let's write 2 tens. Next, we have 11, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 12s. And then let's find the middle value. The middle value here is 12. So we are done with the median of the two sections. For section A, we have 7. For section B, we have 12. Next, for the mode. For the mode, we just need to find the number that occurs most frequently. In section A, we have 7 because it occurs twice. Now, for section B, we have 12. It's very obvious because there are 4 12s in section B. Now let us try to interpret the data based on the results of their measures of central tendency. As you can see, the values of the measures of central tendency of section B are greater than the values of the measures of central tendency of section A. So I can say section B did better, although its mean sale is less than of section A. So as you can see, the mean of section A is greater than B, but the median and mode, they are lesser than B. So section B still did better. Section A has a mean sale of 12 only because of its very high output on the 6th day, which is 39. Section B consistently sold 11 or 12 items. Now, that means Section B did better in selling the items during the fair. Let's have another example. The Guidance and Counseling Department of a school consists of 8 members whose salary in pesos are given in the table below. So we have here in the first column, this is the Guidance and Counseling Department members, and in the second column is their salary. Now, which of the 3 measures of central tendency is the best used to describe the wages of its employees in the Guidance and Counseling Office? So to know that, we need to find these 3 measures first. So first, let's solve for the mean. To solve for the mean, we need to use the formula mean equals the sum of x divided by n. So these are the values of x, which are the given values. So let's add them. 20,000 plus 18,500 plus 17,500 plus 14,500 plus 14,000 plus 12,000 plus 10,000 plus 9,000 divided by 8, because there are 8 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Now let's try to add. If we are going to add all these values, the answer is 115,500 divided by 8, and the result is 14,437.50. So the mean of these values is 14,437.50. Now let's solve for their median. To solve for the median, we need to arrange these values in either increasing or decreasing order. Let's try to arrange this one in decreasing order. So first, we will write 20,000 followed by 18,500 followed by 17,500. Next is 14,500, 14,000, 12,000, 10,000, and the last is 9,000. Now let's find the middle values. Since there are 8 values here, that means there are 2 middle values, and these are 14,500 and 14,000. So since there are 2 middle values, let's find the mean of these 2 values. To get their mean, we will add. The median should be the sum of these 2 values divided by 2, and that is equal to 28,500 divided by 2, and the result is 14,250. We are done finding the median of this set of data. Now let's try to find the mode. For the mode, we need to find the number that occurs most frequently. And as you can see, there is none. So this data has no mode. Now let's try to answer the question, which is, what measure will best describe the given data? Since there is no value for the mode, we cannot choose mode anymore, and we are left with mean and median. Now, as you can see, the values of the mean and median are very close to each other. The difference of the wages between each consecutive position, 1,500, 1,000, 3,500, 2,500, 2,000, and 1,000 show that the difference in the wages does not follow a certain pattern or criterion. That means median is not the best. Therefore, the best measure to use is the mean as an indicator of the wages in the guidance and counseling office. That's all for this video, math learners. Always remember, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics.